Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Grow and Make crafting kits. This company makes all kinds of kits like food and beverage, bath and body, as well as home and garden, so be sure to check out all of the different kinds that they offer on their website. I'll link everything in the description below for you guys. You can make your own cheese and candles, and I even saw a garden kit on their site just for kids, and they just have so many, you guys, so be sure to check those out. All of their kits are assembled in Portland, Oregon by hand, and they try their best to source out local ingredients and supplies for their kits whenever possible. We have a blog post with lots of photos of this particular bath bomb kit right on our website for those who want to see a sneak peek of what's included. And this kit here, we're gonna go ahead and open it right up, take a look, and try this out right now. So I'll go ahead and unpack this kit and then set it up for y'all. And then we are going to make soap. So this is the instructional book that's included, and I read all the tips and tricks on how to use this kit. And everything in this book is really easy to follow and read, and it gives you some really good ideas on how to add the color and also how much fragrance to add to. Also tells you what you can do with any leftover soap so that nothing goes to waste. And in this section here, they mention that you can add things like oatmeal and lavender buds, which is perfect because I have some on hand from our gardens, so I'll be putting some of our dried lavender into a bar. Oh, and I also want to mention that this is a melt and pour hemp base. When you're using melt and pour soap, just cut it into small blocks, and that way everything's gonna melt nice and evenly. And you can just use the mold just to kind of measure how much you'll need per bar. I'll pour any extra into one of the molds, and that's going to be kind of like an everything bar. Okay, this is nice and melted. I melted it at 30-second bursts in the microwave, and you'll want to keep an eye on it closely because you don't want it to boil at all, so just be careful of that. And I'm going to make a lavender bar first, and adding in just under half teaspoon of the lavender oil. And if you want a lighter aroma, just add less, of course. I really love lavender, so I'm gonna make it quite strong. And then when you're adding in the color, just go with a couple drops to see how you like it. And then you can add more if you want a stronger color. The booklet says 2 to 6 drops per block, so I'm not gonna add in too much. And I'll mix the blue and the red to make a nice purple. Since I want some flowers at the very top of the bar, I'm going to secure them with a bit of soap first so that they don't float away on me. And then pour the rest of the soap into the mold on top. Oh, and it's smelling so good in here, you guys. And I'll go ahead and make the other 2 bars. One thing that I did notice right away when the soap was melting is that there's barely any scent to this base. I've used some soap bases before that had a terrible chemical scent when it's melted, and this base is just really nice to work with. There's hardly any smell at all, and it melts really nice too, so I can tell right away that this is a really good quality soap base. And then I let them sit for a couple hours, but if you want them out of the molds right away, you can put them into the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then they just pop out pretty easily. All you have to do is kind of gently break that seal between the soap and the mold. and then just a quick trim to take off the edges, and these are all done. And these turned out so great, you guys. So I hope you try this company out, and especially if you're looking for a really good, unique gift item, because they have tons of kits on their website. And don't forget to visit the DIY Craft Club website for a closer look at this bath bomb kit. Till next time, have a great day, everyone.